Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids having the formula RCOH. The acids which carries the functional group COH in the structure in a terminal position, it is called as a carboxylic acids. In the today's lectures, we are going to discuss some alpha beta unsaturated acids. Okay, unsaturated means what? That is the acids which contains one of the double bond which contains a unsaturations. Okay, for example, first is acrylic acid. Acrylic acid having the formula that is equal to CH2 double bond CH COH. Second one is cinnamic acid, which is having the formula that is equal to benzene ring here, and it carries CH double bond CH COH. Okay, these are the examples of unsaturated acids. One by one we are going to discuss. First one is the acrylic acid, its formation with some of the properties and its reactions and one or two of its uses. Okay, already this point is allotted for basic part 2 of this organic chemistry paper of semester 3. So first one is the unsaturated acids. Okay, now first one is the acrylic acid. Here first point is that is the method of preparation. Method of preparation. In this method of preparation there are two methods for the formation of this acrylic acid. First is from acrolein, and second one is the beta hydroxy propanoic acid. Okay, now in this method it is from acrolein, which is having the formula that is equal to CH2 double bond CH COH. From this acrolein, that is from oxidation of this acrolein with the help of a mild Toluene's reagent gives rise to formation of a unsaturated acid like a acrylic acid. And from the beta hydroxy propanoic acid, by use of refluxing, by use of this propanoic acid and a caustic soda or zinc Cl2, it gives rise to dehydration followed by this acrylic acid. So one by one from acrolein. See here, from acrolein it uses 3/2 O2 in presence of Toluene's reagent, that is nothing but NH4OH in presence of AgNO3. It is also called as Toluene's reagent. Okay, now here the oxidation of this acrolein takes place and we get the formation of that is equal to CH2 double bond CH COH plus a mole of water. The name of this acid is acrylic acid. Again I am going to remind it, that is this is what is this? It is acrolein. When acrolein is oxidized in presence of a Toluene's reagent, which is a mild oxidizing reagent, that its specialty is that it does not affect the double bond position in the acrolein, which gives rise to formation of acrylic acid with a dehydration. Dehydration means with the removal of a water molecule. Now, second method is what? That that is from beta hydroxypropanoic acid. See here, from beta hydroxypropanoic acid. Okay, this is the second one. The structure of this is OH, CH2, CH2, COH. Okay, this is alpha position, this is a beta position. That is, alpha position of carbon atom is that is carbon atom which is adjacent to a carboxylic group. First it is called as alpha, this is called as beta. OH group is attached to beta position, therefore the name suggests that is beta hydroxypropanoic acid, which is on reaction with a caustic soda that is called as a NaOH or a GnCl2. Okay, here removal of a water molecule takes place. Okay, at which point removal of water molecule, that is, this is of OH and this is of a H. Okay, giving rise to reaction is what? CH2 double bond CH COH. Okay, plus water molecule. This is OH, this is of H. Therefore, here occurs, instead of this second bond, it occurs a double bond. There is formation of a acrylic acid. Okay, with removal of a water molecules. Thus, we have here explained the two methods of a formation of a acrylic acid. Now, going for its properties, see here, what are the properties of this acrylic acid? Properties first. It is a colorless liquid. Its boiling point is 405 Kelvin. Third, it has pungent smell. Okay, and fourth is solubility, as far as it is considered, soluble in all solvents. And last one is, it is very reactive than the acetic acid. Very reactive than acetic acid. Okay, now again we are going to stress on these properties. First, it is a colorless liquid. Boiling point is equal to 405 Kelvin. It has pungent smell. Okay, it is soluble in all the solvents and it is very reactive or stronger than the acetic acid. Now, going for its chemical properties. These are the physical properties are one. Now, going for the chemical properties. First one is acrylic acid, having a formula CH2 double bond CH COH. It undergoes two kinds of properties. First is action of bromine, action of water molecule here, and second one is, that is reduction. Okay, due to its double bond and its functional group COH, it can undergo two kinds of chemical properties. Action of water molecules, that is of acid hydrolysis like a H2SO4. There is formation of here H2SO4 of this acid hydrolysis. Which group is going attached to here? That is, this double bond is fluid here, and here the formation of CH2 here CH2H OH sorry, CH2H, and here CHOH. And there is the formation of this, that is known as, that is the CH3, CHOH and COOH. Okay, now, or it may be summarized into, or this, when this H or group is attached on here, that is, there is formation of CH2OH, CH2 and here COH. Okay, this possibilities also is here possible on reduction. Addition of this H2 compounds to this double bonds gives rise to formation of CH3, CH2, COH. Okay, this is what? Propanoic acid. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, normal propanoic acid. Okay, and this is one of this alcohol and this COH. You have to guess these points. Okay, now these are the properties. Now some of the uses are here. Going to discuss. The uses are here as follows. First one is uses, that is for preparing esters. Second one is that as modifying agent in thermosetting resin. Thermosetting resin. Third one is acrylamide used in electrophoretic separation and acrylamide also used in electrophoretic separation, and acrylonitrile is an important monomer of synthetic fibers and rubbers. Okay, now these are the uses of this acrylic acid. Uses of acrylic acid. Which are the uses? Again, I am going to repeat this. For preparing esters. Okay, it is used as a modifying agent in thermosetting resin. Now, acrylamide is used as a electrophoretic, used in electrophoretic separation, and acrylonitrile is used as an important monomer of synthetic fibers and rubbers. Okay, thus we have discussed here first unsaturated acid, that is acrylic acid, having the formula that is equal to CH2 double bond CH COOH. Okay, if you have any doubts or any problems regarding this lecture, you can call me on this, or you can comment this on this video, below this video. Okay, I like that is you are, I hope that you like this video very much. Okay, thank you.